Hello everyone, my name is Ankush. I am CEO and founder of 𝐷𝐞𝐠𝐢𝐬𝐭 Technologies. I am here to talk about the Oracle RAC environment, frequently used command. So whenever you are working with the Oracle RAC environment, most of the time you need to do the health check of Oracle RAC. And when you go for an interview, the people will also ask you, do you have the knowledge about the Oracle RAC? Do you have some understanding about the Oracle RAC environment? Because nowadays, even if the freshers are also going for an interview, Oracle RAC is very important. Okay, so without wasting your time, because your time is very important for me. So what I will do, I'll share my screen. Again, if you're looking for Oracle RAC training, Oracle DB training, or anything which is related to the database, reach out to the 𝐷𝐞𝐠𝐢𝐬𝐭. So let me share my screen here. I can see here, I have already two nodes which are running here. Let me check. OLS node is the command which will tell you this node is of, there are two nodes are there in the cluster, node 1 and node 2. Now what I want to do, I want to know the services, what all services are running related to the Oracle RAC environment. So what I can do, crsctl stat res-t. When I'm running this command, I can get to know about the many services, right? Okay, my listeners are running, my networks are running. So you can see here, this is my expected status and this is my current status. So on node 1, my network is online. Then we have notification services are online. We have our disk groups. So there are disk groups like CRS, data. My 3 scans are there which are running on node number 2, node number 1 and node number 1. So basically 2 scans are running on node number 1 and there is 1 scan which is running on node number 2. The very important thing is you need to check whether your ASM is running. Yes, I can see it's online on node 1 and node 2. Whether your database is running, because if your database is running, so most of the things are already running over here. So I can see on node 1 and node 2, the status is online. So this is the way you can check crsctl stat res-t. By using this command, you can get to know about all the services which are running or not running on throughout the cluster. You can also check the command like crsctl, then you can say crsctl check CRS. So this will give you the information about that on my node 1, the high availability services are running, CRS services are running, CSSD services running, and event manager is also online. So almost everything is online. So this is giving you the information about node 1 only. What if I want to know the information about cluster? So you can say cluster -all. So this will give you information about your both the node 1 and node 2. I can see all these services are running right now. What if I want to know about my databases, like whether my databases instances are running or not? So for that, you need to log in with Oracle user. Remember, whenever you want to start the services, so you can run the command like by using root user crsctl start CRS. When I'm running this command, now I'm getting the error message because my services are already running. If you want to stop the services, you can say crsctl stop services, but this will stop the services on node number 1 only. I'm not running this command because I need these services and it will take a time to start the services. So I'm not running this command now. If you want to stop the services on both the nodes, so you can say crsctl stop cluster, my spelling is wrong, -all. So this will stop the services on node number 1 and node number 2. Remember, in Oracle RAC environment, generally we don't stop the services on both the node. We stop the services on node 1, considering that you have some maintenance activity on node 1. So your node 2 will be running where your users will be able to get connected. This is a RAC environment and we are using RAC environment for high availability. So do not stop the services on both the node, especially on both the node. If you want to stop, again, you need to have an appropriate approval, then and only then you can stop it. So always remember not to run this command. Okay, so I'm not running this command. Now what I'll do, I'll just show you whether your databases instance is running. crvctl status database -d, your database name. My database name is prime. So I can see here that my database is running. So I can see there are 2 instances are running, prime 1 and prime 2. Prime 1 is running on node 1, prime 2 is running on node 2. If I want to stop the complete database, means both the instance, I'll say srvctl stop, but I don't want to stop complete database. I want to stop particular instance. So I'll say srvctl stop instance -i, let's say prime 1 -d and database name. So this will stop only one instance. Now this will stop only one instance, which is prime 1. So many times we are in a situation where you don't want to stop a complete database, you want to stop a particular instance. So you can run this command, and you can also check your alert log file where it will show you the most of the information. Now if you want to know the more information about your voting disk, so what you can do, so there is a simple command like crsctl query css vote disk. So this is giving you the information about your voting disk. So I have 3 voting disks are there, which is recommended by Oracle. If you want to know about your OCR file, you can say OCR check. If you run this command, this will give you the information about OCR. Where is your OCR? My OCR is available under data disk group. My voting disk is also available under your data disk group. So basically your voting disk, your OCR will be available under your ASM. If you want to know about your OLR, so OCR check hyphen local. So this will give you information about your OLR file. Where is my local registry file? My local registry file is available on each and every node in this particular location. Apart from this, there are multiple other commands are also there, but again with the single video it's very difficult to cover up. So if you are looking for real-time database training related to the Oracle, MySQL, PostgreSQL, any database, reach out to the LearnMate. I'll be your instructor. Again, thank you so much for listening me. Please let me know if you are interested for the next video in the comment section. With the interested, I'll definitely create a video on this. Thank you for listening me. Again, please follow me on LinkedIn, my Instagram, and we are about to close our 1 lakh subscriber. So please share this information with your friends, group, wherever you can do that. Thank you.